everyone, this is Conk, and welcome back to another reaction video! Aiden Nestor Extras is back once again with a brand new YTP, and it is a Cars YTP. It is called McQueen Freezes, Explodes, and Crashes When He Hiccups, which is also it's a late Cars 20th Anniversary special. Yeah, so this is basically a YTP of the Cars short Hiccups. So, like, judging that Cars' 20th anniversary was like a few days ago, like, I'm excited for this. So, hey, Nestor, good on you for uploading a new YTP. So, what do you say we get to watching, shall we? I will link the original video right down in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to the great Aiden Nestor Extras, and without further ado, let's get started! 20 years, huh? Yeah, happy 20th anniversary, Cars.
You two poop.
Where there's smoke,
they pinch back.
When you wish upon a star.
Whoa! Explosion already. Wait, what was that? What was that? Get it? Cars tune. You know, a cartoon about car. Oh, okay. I didn't see it before, I didn't see it before when I first saw this, but now I see it. It's a play on words. Cars tune, cartoon, huh? Puns, am I right?
Boo! You stink!
And I like to spin.
Spin.
My favorite customer.
Whoa! He's glitching.
Anybody know the cure for hiccups?
Yeah, he's glitching. Explosion? Oh. The Taco Bell sound. Oh, I was expecting Guido to explode, though. What?
You don't want to know.
He keeps glitching. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, I did not see that coming. I gotta see that again. Gotta see that again. That was too funny.
What's in it?
You don't want to know.
No wonder Fillmore didn't want us to know. Like, yeah, Fillmore, like, I think you need to give it a rest with the organic fuel, okay? Like, his organic fuel is making so that's the reason everyone's been exploding all this time. It's all because of Fillmore's organic fuel. Yep, see? Proven point.
Hiccuping, Joker. That's an order.
Alright.
Try a drink of water.
Oh. More explosion.
Hang upside down, spin around while you touch
Speed.
Spin.
Speed.
Vader, let him down.
Whoa. He keeps glitching out. Aww.
Thanks, Sally.
Oh no, now Sheriff's glitching.
No.
No, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's good right there. What? Wait, what's this? What in the blue blazes? LightningMcQueen.exe has stopped working. Don't hiccup? Hiccup. Okay. That was a good one. Okay, pretty short YTP, but I loved it all the same. Now, on to my favorite parts. I think my favorite parts were, like, every time McQueen hiccuped, he was, like, glitching out, and then there was, like, like the little Microsoft thing at the end. And then, like, what was the other thing? Oh, yeah. I also like how, like, when McQueen drank Fillmore's organic fuel, he exploded. And that's another good reason why you should stay away from Fillmore, because that's a good reason why you should stay away from the organic fuel. Because that's been Fillmore's secret all this time. Is organic fuel can make everyone explode. I mean, if the bomb that was planted on Mater from Cars 2 didn't do it, then maybe that will. Anyway, now, before we end this video, I have a little something to say. So, actually two somethings to say. So, my Sonic Adventure dubs will still continue on as planned. It's just that they're going to take a little bit of time to make. Like all my other dubs. But, don't worry, like, they will be put into production soon. I'm not giving up on them. Also, I just got word, like, from my latest poll that you, like, if you recall on my community tab, like, I put up a poll asking you guys on whether you wanted to see my 3, 2, 1 Wonder Pet trailers or my 3, 2, 1 Wonder Pet theme in different versions. But, so, since, like, the different versions of the theme song won the poll, that'll come first. I know I said I was going to like to do, like, the trailers since the experiment was a great success. Thank you for the support. But I also want to do, like, other things, too. Like, so here's all this. Different theme song versions will come first, then the trailers come next. Got it? So, yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, hit like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all of the things, because you Timber Army members are amazing, and always will be. I always say that because it is true. You guys are awesome. I'll have another poll regarding the 3-2-1 Wonder Pets themes in different versions later, okay? So keep your eye out for that. That said, this is King Killer 84, signing off.